Hi there, students. Countenance. A countenance as a noun, or to countenance as a verb. Okay, a countenance is the expression on somebody's face, their face. So you could have a happy countenance, a sad countenance. You could have a worried countenance or a thoughtful countenance. Okay, this is a formal and probably a bit old-fashioned word. It just means the face of somebody, the expression on their face. You should have seen his face, you should have seen his countenance. This sounds pretty formal, 7.58. I'd use it in a formal writing. I wouldn't use it in a conversation in the pub. Okay, we also have the verb to countenance, which we use either meaning to favour, to support, to encourage, or to permit and or to tolerate. I will not countenance such ridiculous proposals. I will not permit, I will not support. The punishment was not legal, but was still countenanced by the authorities. So it was still permitted, it was tolerated. I will countenance your application. I will agree to your application for more time. Would you countenance me changing the way we normally do this job? He won't countenance using sunflower oil when he cooks. So he won't tolerate it, he won't support it, he won't even look at it. And that's the idea of to countenance. I think countenance as a face I would give 8 as informality. To countenance as a verb, to agree to support or to tolerate, probably 7 to 7.5, but it's still a formal word, yeah, a formal verb. So either face or agree to in an informal conversation. Countenance, semi-formal and formal only. Notice as well, to countenance is a regular verb. He countenanced my offer and agreed to let me help him. Okay, this comes from Latin, from continentia, which means restraint, self-control, abstinence. So I get the idea of he will countenance you doing this. He's not going to go mad and get really angry because of this. He will control himself and he won't get upset. Yeah, so he will tolerate it, he will permit it. So I would like you to countenance not translating from your native language into English, and just try and speak without thinking in your native language. Try thinking in English. So to countenance something, to agree to something, to be in favour of it. You're willing to look at it, your face, your countenance. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. I would like you to countenance the video by giving it a rating. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A countenance. To countenance.